Welcome to the Skilled MBA Operations Management Case Study Series. In this session, we spotlight ABQ Electra, a company on a mission to revolutionize the electric vehicle charging infrastructure. ABQ Electra's strategy centers on partner selection, a critical decision to scale its charging network efficiently. The company evaluates potential collaborators based on reliability, technological compatibility, and a shared commitment to customer service excellence. By choosing the right partners, ABQ Electra is not just expanding, it's streamlining operations, boosting efficiency, and setting new industry standards in EV charging. Electric vehicles need 45-60 minutes to charge, presenting a unique opportunity for ABQ Electra. By capitalizing on this wait time, ABQ can engage captive customers, turning the charging period into a profitable venture. This strategy not only enhances customer experience, but also boosts revenue by offering additional services during the charging session. ABQ Electra's vision focuses on recycling electric vehicle batteries as its core business. The company is expanding its charging infrastructure along major expressways, aiming to create multi-service destinations. These charging stations will serve as revenue-generating business hubs, enhancing customer experience and maximizing profitability during the charging wait time. The charging station offers 1,800 square feet of commercial space, strategically located along a major Indian expressway. With an average customer dwell time of 45 to 60 minutes, it provides an ideal opportunity for brand partnerships, generating rental income as a primary revenue source. High traffic volume ensures excellent visibility for businesses. ABQ's multi-service electric vehicle pit stop concept aims to enhance customer experience by leasing space to complementary brands. This approach transforms charging stations into vibrant hubs, offering diverse services that cater to customer needs during their 45-60 minute wait. The strategy not only maximizes rental income, but also elevates the overall appeal of the charging station. Evaluating partner selection involves considering space requirements, as partners need different portions of the 1,800 square feet available. Rental income varies, impacting revenue potential. Brand compatibility is crucial. For instance, a luxury cafe may not align with a budget diner. Services should enhance the customer experience, catering to electric vehicle owners during their charging wait. Analyzing potential partners, the Premium Cafe requires 400 square feet at R450 per square foot, but conflicts with budget food options. Quick service restaurants need 350 square feet at R400 per square foot, incompatible with Premium Cafes. Convenience stores, needing 500 square feet at 350 per square foot, have no conflicts. Electronics kiosks at 200 square feet and 500 per square foot, and book and magazine shops at 300 square feet and 300 per square foot also face no compatibility issues. ABQ's challenge is a constrained optimization problem. Maximize rental income within 1,800 square feet, avoiding incompatible brand pairings. This requires strategic partner selection to balance space and compatibility, ensuring optimal revenue without exceeding spatial limits or creating brand conflicts. To solve ABQ's optimization challenge, we first gathered data on space requirements, rental rates, and compatibility constraints. We then build a mathematical model with these constraints. Through scenario analysis, we test various combinations to find the optimal partner mix. Finally, we plan implementation with layout designs and partnership agreements based on the optimal solution. The optimal solution includes a premium cafe, convenience store, bookshop, electronics kiosk, and wellness services. This configuration generates a total revenue of $731,000 per month, utilizing 1,800 square feet of space efficiently. Each component is strategically selected to maximize both financial returns and space utilization, ensuring a comprehensive and appealing customer experience. Enhancing customer experience by transforming idle time into productive or enjoyable activities boosts satisfaction. This strategy reinforces ABQ's brand as a leader in convenience and innovation within the electric vehicle ecosystem. It provides a competitive edge by differentiating ABQ charging stations from standard options. The successful model can be expanded across multiple locations in India, promoting network growth. Implementing ABQ's strategic benefits involves negotiating with multiple partners, designing efficient space layouts, and managing construction timelines. Ensuring a consistent brand experience while adapting to evolving electric vehicle charging technologies is crucial. These challenges require meticulous planning and coordination to maintain ABQ's competitive edge in the rapidly growing Indian electric vehicle market. India's electric vehicle market is rapidly expanding, with projected sales reaching 10.5 million by 2030. The electric vehicle charging infrastructure is growing at a 45% annual rate, contributing to an estimated market size of 300 billion by 2027. ABQ's initiative supports India's shift towards sustainable transportation solutions, aligning with national goals for electric mobility. Monetizing wait time in electric vehicle charging can turn idle moments into revenue through innovative space use. Data-driven decision-making optimizes operations by balancing constraints with quantitative models. Strategic partnerships enhance customer experiences, while transforming infrastructure into engaging destinations offers a competitive edge in the electric vehicle market. For further exploration of operations management, Skilled MBA offers a wealth of case studies and educational resources. Reach out via mobile at +91 87553 0795 or email support@skilledmba.com. Visit their website at https://skilledmba.com for more insights.